So we're doing works in the style of Kandinsky.
Yep.
Yes.
And these are what, watercolor and colored pencil, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And there's just going to be little bits of white. Okay. Because it makes those other colors look brighter. Can you see? Okay. Now, here we go again. Okay. Paper. We don't want to mix it too much. So just move it around. So maybe I want some more blue down in here. I like the darker blue, so we'll do that. Now we need our. Okay, so you see it's running off the edge. So we're just going to catch it as it comes. Okay. So hold it over the floor. Okay. And catch it as it comes. Keep turning it. Okay, so now I just want to clean up the edge here. Now you see there's a few puddles. So what do I do with my puddle?
Thirsty brush.
Thirsty brush. Yeah, so we come and lift it off a bit. If there's a puddle, there might be a bloom. Okay, so I'm just running my brush along the edge, catching the drips as they come. Okay, so this side is already drying over here. I think the air is very dry these days. In Brandon at the gallery, it's just like you have very little time to paint with watercolor because it dries so fast. And I was painting last night, getting ready for this, and same thing, it was just drying like crazy fast. I think we need to go to England or something to paint, where it's nice and wet all the time.
Well, what we should do, we should go on a trip.
Oh, that'll be the next thing.
Touring show.
Famous, now we'll go on a trip.
Yeah, hey, they're famous,
Yeah.
what can we say? Okay, so now I'm going to dry it with the hairdryer, okay? Okay, so carry on.
Blues, dark blues.
Dark blue, yellow, and turquoise. The lighter green maybe. And you could put some darker green if you want. There's no rule saying it has to be exactly like mine. In fact, I hope it isn't. You empty your brush with water. Just stay in the yellows and blues and greens, okay? That's my first one finished.
Okay.
Okay?
Next page.
Then I'm moving on to the next one.
Now, you want.
Okay, so Justin, why don't you tell
Yeah, Justin.
Rain
Yeah,
what
okay.
you're doing?
Doing coloring, color pencils.
Yeah, do you remember what style we're working in? Remember the name of the artist?
No,
Shane. Do you remember?
He's from England, isn't he?
No.
Isn't he?
You're Kandinsky.
Kandinsky.
There you go.
It's a, yeah, artist named Kandinsky.
You're not doing yours?
You've got a few minutes. You could start off it, okay? So decide what you want to use for colors before you get going.
This is our sample here,
Yes.
Here you go.
and they all look just so individual.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
That looks good, Stanley. Good. What other color are you going to put in there?
What color do you want to do? Use next.
Dark blue?
Yeah.
Dark red?
no.
Blue? Okay, that'll work good.
Over here.